How about it, people? Humble Hollow followers. So we are, next phase out here at the farm is we're installing a sawmill. That's the platform. We cut down about 35 cedar trees out here, and right this minute James he's got a method to his madness, and we're going to set this pole. So hang on as we work on this. Yeah, this thing doesn't weigh much at all, so we got like 8 of these that are going in from that stack that's over there. He's got to pull this thing back just a little bit, but we'll keep you rocking here. So we kind of got to do this in stages, actually. So James has this unique, then maybe Kubota will send us a, yeah, why not? Oops, that's what we need is an excavator. All right, then he's got to adjust that in. Hey, Kubota. This little tractor does amazing work, but how about send us an excavator out here, would you? We're trying to get busy. We're trying to be professional. That's where the sawmill is going to sit. Oh yeah. All right, so ingenuity. So these are braces, big braces that he's using some timber locks on. So as he raises this up, these braces will catch onto the ground and hold it up. All right. He's a genius, this man. Yeah. And by the way, we adhere to all safety precautions here at the farm.
We're following all OSHA regulations.
Yeah, all OSHA regulations. Got it. All right.
And I don't wear a hard hat because I have a thicker skull.
Yeah, no hard hat for him. He's got a pretty thick head. Laurel will tell you that. I wonder if this is how. I wonder if this is. How did the Indians put up their teepees?
They had a tribe.
Yeah, right. Oh boy. Hey, I want to know where. Hey James, where are all my friends that kept telling me, "Hey, I grew up on a farm. I want to come help you guys." Wait a minute. I don't see anybody. Man. All right, there we go. Here we go. Yeah, they do.
See how these braces tractor will hold it and won't let it go side to side.
Yep. Now I've got to say, how much do you think that pole weighs, James? 1,000 pounds? All right. All right, well, we got that one in. That's how he got this one in. Oh yeah. Using nature's reward, God's rewards out here. Man, oh man. All right, it's a beautiful day. Humble Hollow Farm. We'll give you all an update later. All right. So we got this thing as level as possible. And now what he's going to do is kind of anchor it to the platform with some timber locks. And then we'll fill the hole in. Yeah. mean, how long ago was it? We cut these cedar trees down
That's when
maybe 7 months ago?
Yeah, we were clearing for
Yeah. Yeah, we cleared all that area out there where the tents are. Pretty awesome. Well. Yeah. Laurel, regardless of what you say about your husband, he's a pretty smart guy.
There it is.
All right. It is secure for now.
Yeah.
All right. We'll back the tractor up and then back up and take a look at the finished product. All right. There she is. And that's how we're getting the cedar posts in. One at each corner. Then he's gonna
tree in the ground back in
yeah.
the ground.
We're gonna build a roof structure. He's gonna put 4 of those on the backside, and then this tin is the old tin that came off the barn. We replaced the roof there, so we saved this, and that's gonna be the covering for our sawmill platform. Hey, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day at Humble Hollow Farm. We are having one, so we hope you do too. Y'all should come out and see us sometime.